Hello on my pedals. I'm really sorry I hadn't posted in a while. I've been feeling kind of down those days. I've been recording and then my computer crashes, so it doesn't save the recording, and it's just so hard. Some of you might see, I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure today, and I'm going this isn't my first time playing, as you can see, but I'm going to try and make a nice build. So I'm going to start, and I'm thinking of let's just buy a chest or so and get some items, so that would help my building experience. Ooh, a torch and another. I only have 1 gold now. Okay, so let's start. I think I'm gonna be thinking. I can't even speak. Okay, I'm thinking of no. I'm thinking of making like a modern house. Very small because I do have limited supplies, but a modern thing. It's not the whole floor is not going to be marble because I don't have enough marble for that. But the outside or the wait, I can't talk. But the outside will be the one and only marble. This is a very small house. It's a modern. Why did I say? Wait, did I say modern mansion? Because it's not modern and it's not a mansion. It's just like kind of a grand house. Okay, how much? I have 5 left. So I think I'm going to save some and do like the edge corners with this. Build a boat for treasure. Yes. In the middle. So it gets like this design. And so I don't have to use lots of wood, is because I don't have much wood. Oh no! Oh no! Delete. Delete it! I don't have much wood. 6. Oh, I don't think I'll have enough. Oh no. Oh no. I don't think I can. Wait, can I just like use this? Ah ha ha. I'm now cheating. Okay. Do this and then build, and then I put this block right here, and then I'll delete this, and oh, this is getting so complicated, and I'll place this here, and I have the block here and here, and then I'm gonna do this so I still have wood tile floors. I'm gonna still use one of these, and wow, it actually made a cool design. I kind of like it. Okay, so now I'm going to make a fencing thing. Okay, this way. Okay, I'm gonna make them a bit farther apart. No, why is it killing my marble? Why is it killing this stuff? It's because I'm not using my mouse, so no. Huh. No. Okay. What? What? Oh my god. What the? I'm not going to say anything. Oh, can you stop? Oh, I'm getting scared. Oh, let's just ignore that and keep on going with my life. Okay. Can you stop? What is this thing? It's gonna kill me. Just go down. Go off. I don't care. Okay. I'm glad we got rid of that. Okay, going back to the fence. So, the fence is going to be more wide apart. Because one, it looks more cute. And two, so I don't run out of fences. Or these, whatever it's called. This, and then this, and then... Oh no, wrong placement? No, not wrong placement. Okay, and now I'm going to put the front doors on. And rotate. There we go. No walls. Well, I think I could do walls. Whatever. No ceiling then. This, and then in the back is going to be the back door. Oh yes, I have one of these, which is, the back door is going to be smaller. Okay, and now to make the wallings. Okay, so for the walls, here, I'm not going to do a ceiling once again. Okay, so there's going to be windows stacked along both sides of the, the back door as a fancy thing. And, oh my gosh, what is it doing? Okay. And there's gonna be a torch over here. Yes. And there's going to be, for walls, I clearly don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to put this stone here. I still have glass and I don't want to waste everything. So I'm going to put one piece of glass in the middle, and then I'm going to put this on top. Seems like there's still one block on top. Whatever, I don't care about that. And that's for those walls, and it's basically the walls. Wait, I think I should... How much is this do I have left? Okay. I'm going to do this kind of checkered pattern. These will be put on the stands. Oh, this looks so bad. On the stands here. And, what other blocks do? Okay. And this... Oh, clearly I don't have good placing measurements. Let's just do this. It's a modern design, I say. It's a modern design. I swear it's a modern design, not my mistaking. Just for the aesthetic, I'm gonna add one right here, so it doesn't look like a complete mess. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to also add a engine into the back. So you'll see what the engine's for. Put it down so it can go into the water, and the engine is for controlling the boat. So I'm going to put like a desk area over here, and that's actually going to be where I sit. And since it's a desk area, it must have a desk. I know no one else is sailing the ship, but for safety, I'm going to add more chairs. Okay. I can place a chair there. So I can also be there if this area dies first. And, what else do I need? Let's add some balloons, because, it's always a party over here where I am. I don't like the placement of this. Okay. Okay, steering wheel. Gotta furnish this house very nicely. And 2 steering wheel seats, because bougie. Put a seat. Where's my seat? Okay, my seat. There we go. And we're also going to have oh wow. And let's just check how high that is. That's pretty high. I'm gonna put it in the middle, because, like, why not? Okay, oh gosh, I think I'm gonna build something to get up there with my fellow rested items, because I have a bunch of these and I don't know why and where to use them. So where's my rested block? Over here. Oh no, okay. So gonna make some kind of a ladder that my Roblox player can climb. What? It's not letting me place. Climb to the top. This will allow me to do that, and then I will put something here. Okay. And then from this, oh gosh, this is what happens when you don't have ladder blocks. Oh, I'm gonna have to get up there. Okay. I need to place another one of those blocks here. Now will it work? Okay. Okay, so for emergencies now, I will place a chair or 2 on this, so I have a lookout tower. Yes. And, what else? And, ooh, yes, my balloons. Can't forget my balloons. Okay. Balloons, where will you be? Okay. It's gonna be balloon on this side. And, ooh, I know what to do. To balance this out, I'm going to be putting this here and that there and putting flags. And I'm gonna make kind of like a front area, because when I walk out of my house, I want something to see. I want to be able to walk there other than just fall into the ocean. So this is where I am. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm also going to use my 3 fencing things left. For this. And what else? What else am I missing? Oh, yes. No, that wouldn't work. Oh, and one more chair. And on the deck. Because sometimes I like to look into the view. And this stony rock thing on top of it, these ledges or whatever. Now I have my complete thing. Okay, let's set sail. Wow, such a nice boat. Yes, and I will go out. Oh my gosh, my chairs fell out. Why though? Why? Okay, it's barely possible to see. Okay. Oh, because they were on that thing. Oh man. Okay. Over here, and then I'm gonna block these things because they break my ship, and I don't like ship breakers. Okay. Stand out of the way. I don't want my engine nor my chair breaking. I hear time. This is scaring me. Okay. There are rocks here that I must go through. Wee. 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 Ah. Is this like an icy version? Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm dying. No, my boat. There's another boat. It's getting thrown around. No, 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 no. Okay, I didn't get thrown around. Okay. I've never been on this stage before. Music? Whatever. Let's just pass through this gentle music area. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god, that sounds terrifying. Okay, on this side, I'll take the rocks. I just don't want that. Oh my god, that sounds terrifying. Ah. Oh no, there's one of those. I must move out of the area. I'm not touching those squid things. They sound terrifying. Ow. Paintbrush. I love art. How could that betray me? Okay. The paint turned red. Does that mean blood? Should I be concerned? Okay. And there are rocks growing. There are rocks growing. Oh no, this is always where I die. Oh, is this where it all ends? I'm going further. I can still do it. Oh no, my engine broke. Now I'm only here just laying around. Wow, I think this is the farthest I've been in a long time, but this is my death spot, guys. This is my death spot. And now I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Oh my god. How am I still alive? Okay. Can I still survive? I died. Plus 60 gold. Not bad. Not bad. Well, this is it for today. All my petals. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!